You can create pivot tables in Numbers on your Mac and iOS devices to analyze your data and help you notice patterns and trends. Here's how it works on your iPhone or iPad. First, select the table that contains your source data. Then tap the Table Actions button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap Create Pivot Table and tap Pivot Options. In the Pivot Options menu, select the fields you'd like to include. To analyze this sales data, we'll look at the date, item, category, and revenue. To change how the data is presented in your pivot table, you can drag each field between columns, rows, and values. Let's drag the date field up to columns and drop it on top of the item field so they switch places. Now let's drag the category field above items to reorder those rows in the table. To change how a result is calculated or displayed, tap the Info button next to a field. For example, you can see revenue as a percentage instead of a base value. When you're done, you can tap outside the menu to close it. See your data in new ways.